Hey, what's up guys? In this video we will see how to use slow motion in the Samsung Galaxy A16. Now to do that, just open the camera app. Now from here, tap on more and tap on slow motion. Now from here, just point the camera at the object you want to record and tap on record. Now let's see the result. Now, as you can see, this is how you can use slow motion in the Samsung Galaxy A16. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.